Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in this video, I will show you on how to update your VLC media player on Windows or Mac. Whether you are using Windows PC or Mac, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to update your VLC media player without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, take your mouse to the VLC media player, hit enter on your keyboard, and it's going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on app. Under the app, go ahead and click on check for updates. Then just like so, now VLC, a new version of VLC 3.0.23 is available right here. Do you want to download it? Go ahead and click on yes right here. Once you click on yes, the latest version of VLC media player is going to be successfully starts to download, just like what you see right here, and allow it to download 100% completely, and boom, you are done. And the latest option, VLC media player update VLC. This new version was successfully downloaded. Do you want to close and install now? So next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on install. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Go ahead and click on yes. And here we go. Welcome to VLC Media Player Setup. Go ahead and click on next. Upgrade VLC using previous setting recommended. So go ahead and click on next. Installing. Please wait while VLC Media Player is being installed. So allow all these installations to run completely. Completing VLC Media Player setup. Go ahead and click on finish. And you are done. You have new version of VLC Media Player successfully installed in your Windows PC. Just like what you see right here. Same way you update your VLC Media Player in Windows, same way you can do it back. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your VLC Media Player, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.